Taking video. Ooh.
And sit. Okay,
Cade's first bath. It's a bit of a squealer.
Dry your hair off. Dry your hair off. Are you ready for the big bath? Are you ready for the big bath? Hey?
As you can see, he's clearly loving his first bath.
It's relaxing today. It's relaxing.
Hey, you're having your little bath, mate. Hmm?
We'll just have that bath a bit closer to Mummy.
Yeah, he's like, get me out of here, Daddy. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, quiet Buppet.
A little bit more familiar in the water, is it?
Mmm.
Hey?
Mm. Hey.
Around that.
You should see the face on him. Hey, little man. You're having a bath, aren't you? Yes. Is that nice? Yeah, it is, isn't it, little man? He's too cute.
It is some kicking.
Ooh, you're gonna have a bit of a swim? Yeah, bit of a swim.
Do you want to try it on your belly? Or is that nice enough? Here, let me put this on your belly.
Oh, you're so funny. Just kicking back at home. With my mum. With me mum.
And me dad.
Hello. That nice little fella? Yes. It is, Daddy. It is nice. So cute.
So relaxing, hey?
I think someone's loving it. Won't be able to get him out now.
The screaming will start again.
Yeah.